Sahih al-Bukhari 3286, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, when any human being is born, Satan touches him at both sides of the body with his two fingers, except Jesus, the son of Mary, whom Satan tried to touch but failed, for he touched the placenta cover instead. Sahih al-Bukhari 3287, narrated Al-Qama radiyallahu ta'ala anha. I went to Sham and asked, who is here? The people said, Abu ad-Darda. Abu ad-Darda radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, is the person whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has protected against Satan, as Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, amongst you. The sub-narrator Mughira radiyallahu ta'ala anha said that the person who was given Allah's refuge through and tongue of the Prophet was Ammar bin Yasir. Sahih al-Bukhari 3288, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, while the angels talk amidst the cloud about things that are going to happen on earth, the devils hear a word of what they say and pour it in the ears of the soothsayers, as one of pours something in a bottle, and they add 100 lies to that one word. Sahih al-Bukhari 3289, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yawning is from Satan, and if any one of you yawns, he should check his yawning as much as possible, for if any one of you during the act of yawning should say, oh, Satan will laugh at him. Sahih al-Bukhari 3290, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. On the day of the battle of Uhud, when pagans were defeated, Satan shouted, a slave of Allah, beware of the force at your back. And on that the Muslims of the front of files fought with the Muslims of the back files, thinking they were pagans. Huzaifa radiyallahu ta'ala anha looked back to see his father Al-Yaman being attacked by the Muslims. He shouted, O Allah's slave, my father, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they did not stop till they killed him. Huzaifa radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive you. Urwa radiyallahu ta'ala anha said that Huzaifa radiyallahu ta'ala anha continued to do good, invoking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive the killer of his father till he meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I died. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.